What's the problem now?
Oh, Mr. Miss was asking me about the whereabouts of Mr. Mshololo. He is around.
He's around?
Yes. He's in the courtroom.
Yes, after 10 hours.
Yeah, I've just overheard from the accused that he's going to the restroom, my lord.
I see.
Yes.
So what do we do? Wait for him.
I think we should, my lord, because accused number one will later on say that this attorney was not here.
Okay, fine. Let's wait then.
Please, my lord.
All right.
Thank you, my lord. Ma'am, can we start here? Before I start, so that I make sure that we are going on the correct records of Section 205. You testified and you mentioned that you had furnished the state with the Section 205 records, which was in a PDF form or format.
Ngishilo-ke umamfakazi ukuthi mina-ke ama-205 engawadlulisela kumbuso ayengangelathi noma ngalohlobo lwe-PDF.
When was that forwarded to the state? The Section 205 records in a PDF format.
I can't recall offhand.
But you can be able to
can-
recover it from your records?
Yes.
Okay, please
Yes.
do so in the whilst we're proceeding.
Sure.
Ukuthi kakuninike lokho angikhumbuleki kufanele ukuthi ngibheke.
I would also ask you to check for us as to whom was that Section 205 record in a PDF form was furnished to, whether to the police or whether to the NPA officials.
Okay, so
Yes.
initially, my lord, when the case is completed and the case actually goes to trial, the IO would then request a 213 statement from myself or one of my colleagues that attend court.
Okwenzekayo-ke uma sekuwukuthi sesiqedile-ke thina okwenza umsebenzi okuyena umphenyi noma umseshi wecala wenza-ke lokho kubizwa ngokuthi i-213 i-213 kumina noma komunye-ke oza kwethu.
So what happens in the meantime is that the TSU would have already furnished the investigating officer with the PDF document.
Don't worry, I don't need history. I just want one word to say from Vodacom shop, this is the name of the person to whom you sent the PDF to, and this is the date.
Okay.
Just those two things.
Okay. I
Yes.
would have sent the PDF document together with the statement to the prosecutors.
Mina-ke kufanele ukuthi-ke ngibe ngithumele i-PDF leyo kanye-ke nestatimende kulabo abashushisayo.
You get me the details later. Let's proceed from now.
Sure.
Because now we are sitting with a document which you cannot be able to comment on, which is now on Excel. Can you then refer to us to the one in PDF that was furnished to the state so that we can go through that document?
Sure.
Yes. Can you beam it for us so that when we go through, we're not going through the wrong one which was furnished to us in an Excel?
Sure. I have opened it, but it seems like there's a signal problem here, that it's not opening. As you can see, the wheel is turning. That is a,
It's still loading.
yes. think this could also be due to the number of pages on there.
In the meantime, while we are still opening that one, because we'll be comparing the original Section 205 records with Exhibit 02, the one that was compiled by Colonel Stein. On page 23, paragraph 4.
Page 23 of Triple J1.
No, not Triple J1. Exhibit 02.
02.
Yes,
I
thank you.
need a copy of
The state will show you.
Yeah.
I just want you to take us through these dates on the original Section 205 to see if it has the correct information that is contained from paragraph 4 of this exhibit. Because previously we've done the same test, but it's just that we were doing it on the wrong documents that were furnished to us.
That's correct. My apologies, it's just not complying this morning. Would it be possible to take a break? I will restart my laptop.
The laptop. Thank you, my lord.
My lord.
Can I ask my lord that you take just a quick break?
How long?
I'm going to restart it immediately.
How long maybe do you need?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes.